Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this fantastic number! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 10! Did you know? Numberblock 10 is made of 10 blocks! And look at those star eyes! How cool is that? 10! Let's start drawing. First, draw a tall rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. Perfect. Our tall body is ready. Now inside the rectangle, draw one vertical line down the middle. There it is, 2 sides. Now draw 4 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 10 blocks. Now the most special part, the face. Numberblock 10 has star-shaped eyes. How amazing is that? Draw the first star shape for the left eye. Now draw the second star shape for the right eye. Now draw a big happy smile because Numberblock 10 is always happy. Gorgeous smile. Now the hands, and these are special hands. Draw the left hand with fingers spread wide. And inside the hand, draw a star. Now the right hand. And another star inside. Star hands, so unique.
Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks.
Now draw the legs at the bottom. 2 little legs ready to dance. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 10. Coloring time. First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. And inside the mouth area, black. Perfect. Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the eye outline red. Color the star eye outline red. So cool. Color the hand outline red. And the star inside the hand red.
Time feels so alive. Numberblocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive.
Now pick up pink. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Color the smile outline pink. So sweet. Now pick up maroon, a deep dark red. Spell maroon. M-A-R-O-O-N. Maroon. Color the arms maroon. And the legs maroon. Strong and powerful.
Drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly.
And now the big one. Pick up light red, a beautiful soft red. Spell light red. L-I-G-H-T-R-E-D. Light red. Color the whole body light red.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combined. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish.
block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 blocks beautifully colored. And done! Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew a tall rectangle, added 1 vertical and 4 horizontal lines, drew 10 blocks, star eyes, a happy smile, star hands, and little legs, and colored with black, red, pink, maroon, and light red. You are a superstar artist! If you enjoyed this, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. Never miss a video.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.